In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate blocks in MailerLite so you can save time and keep your emails consistent without rebuilding elements from scratch. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly email marketing platforms out there, and this simple duplication feature can be a real game changer when you're building longer campaigns or repeating similar sections. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel, and let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your MailerLite account, open up your preferred browser and head over to the MailerLite website. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. Enter your email address and your password, or use whatever single sign-on method you have set up. After you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken straight to your MailerLite dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all of your campaigns, subscribers, and automation. Take a moment to get oriented because everything we do from here stems from this main view. Now let's open the campaigns section. Look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the tab that says Campaigns. This will pull up a list of all the email campaigns you've created so far, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. Scroll through your list and locate the specific campaign that contains the block you want to duplicate. Once you find it, click the Continue Editing button next to that campaign. This is important. Make sure you're editing a draft or an unsent campaign because you won't be able to modify already sent emails. If the campaign is already sent, you'll want to duplicate the entire campaign first and then proceed. With your campaign open, you'll now need to access the email editor. Look for a button that says Edit Content, usually located near the top or within the campaign settings panel. Click that and give it a moment to load. MailerLite will launch its drag and drop email editor. This is where all the visual magic happens. You'll see your current email layout displayed on the screen with all the blocks you've already placed, such as text sections, images, buttons, dividers, spacers, and more. Take a second to review the layout and identify exactly which block you want to duplicate. Maybe it's a well-designed call to action button or a text block with formatting you'd like to reuse. Now let's select that block. Move your mouse cursor over the block you wish to duplicate and hover there for just a moment. You'll notice that a set of block controls will pop up above or around that element. These are your editing tools. Click directly on the block itself to select it and reveal all the available options. You'll typically see icons for moving, editing, duplicating, and deleting the block. This selection step is crucial because if you don't select the block properly, the duplicate option won't appear. A quick tip here, if you're building a newsletter with repeating sections like a list of products or multiple testimonials, duplicating blocks is especially useful to maintain consistent spacing and design without having to manually recreate each one. Alright, now for the main event. Locate the duplicate icon among the block controls. It usually looks like two overlapping squares or a copy symbol. Click that duplicate icon and MailerLite will instantly create an exact copy of the selected block. You'll see the duplicated block appear directly below or very near the original depending on your layout. Sometimes it drops right beneath the original and sometimes it gets placed at the bottom of the section. Take a moment to verify that the copy has appeared. This is where you can really speed up your workflow. Instead of building a similar section from scratch, you now have a perfect clone to work with. Now that you have your copy, you'll want to customize it. Click on the duplicated block to select it again. Then replace any content that needs to be updated. This could be text, images, links, or buttons. For example, if you duplicated a product feature block, you can change the headline, swap out the image, and update the button link to point to a different product. Make sure to go through each element within the block, because while the structure and styling are preserved, the actual content will likely need to be tailored. Double check that all your changes are accurate, especially links, to avoid sending your subscribers to the wrong page. If the duplicated block isn't in the perfect spot, you can easily reposition it. Look for the drag handle, usually a set of dots or a grid icon on the left side or top of the block. Click and hold that handle, then drag the block up or down to a new location in your layout. Release the mouse button to drop it into place. The MailerLite editor will adjust the surrounding blocks automatically, so you don't have to worry about breaking the design. This drag and drop flexibility is one of the reasons MailerLite is so beginner-friendly. After moving it, visually confirm that the block appears exactly where you want it within your email sequence. Finally, let's save your work and preview the email. Look in the upper right corner of the editor and click the button that says Done Editing. MailerLite will then save all your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about hitting a separate save button. Give it a few seconds to process, and you'll be returned to the campaign overview page. From here, you can preview the email to see how it will look to your subscribers, or you can continue making adjustments. I always recommend sending a test to yourself before finalizing, just to catch any formatting hiccups or typos. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to duplicate blocks in MailerLite. By using this simple feature, you've saved yourself the repetitive work of rebuilding similar sections from scratch, ensuring your emails stay consistent and professional with less effort. As a next step, consider experimenting with duplicating entire sections when you're building templated newsletters or promotional series. It really speeds things up. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to save the video or come back to these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy email building.